Hello everyone, I hope you are all fine. Today's story is very beautiful and very helpful. It has a strong life lesson. It also has simple daily life sentences. Please practice this story and repeat it with me. Now, let's start. My name is James. I live in a small town where dreams look bigger than buildings. Every morning I wake up before the sun, but my life was always dark inside. People see my smile, but they never see my fear. I was afraid of failure. I was afraid of people laughing at me. I was afraid to try something new. My room was small, but my worries were huge. I always told myself that maybe I am not special, maybe I was born to live a simple, silent life. But deep inside my heart, a small voice whispered, "Change your life." One day I looked at myself in the mirror. My eyes looked tired and confused. I asked myself, "James, what are you doing?" Years were passing, but nothing was changing. I was waiting for a miracle. But miracles never knock on lazy doors. That day I felt something different. It was pain, but it was powerful pain. I realized that no one is coming to save me. No rich uncle, no lucky chance, no magic. Only me. Only James. I decided to start small. Very small. I woke up 30 minutes earlier. I stopped wasting time on useless scrolling. I started reading one page every day. At first it felt boring. My mind wanted comfort, but my heart wanted change. I chose my heart. Every small action felt like a tiny victory. No one clapped for me, but I started respecting myself. People around me did not believe in me. They said James will never change. Some laughed, some ignored me. It hurt me deeply. But this time, I did not stop. I remembered my old life. I remembered my sleepless nights. I remembered my silent tears. That pain became my fuel. Every insult became my motivation. I was slowly becoming stronger.